Unquestionably, one of the most trusted languages in use today is Python. So if you want to become a Python programmer, you will probably be looking for appropriate courses. In this video, we will discuss the top 6 courses for becoming a self-taught Python developer. The first one on the list is a Udemy course. Introduction to Python Programming. To get started with Python programming, you should have a good knowledge of the fundamentals. On that note, this is the class you require. The best part is, it is completely free and takes less than 2 hours to finish. This Python programming course will teach you how to construct scripts and functions. The second one on the list is a YouTube video tutorial. Python Tutorial for Beginners, Learn Python in 5 hours. This course is from a YouTube channel called TechWorld with Nana. You will learn everything you need to know to get started on Python programming in this comprehensive course. By the end of the course, you will have a solid grasp of the principles and practical experience with a number of follow-along demo projects. The third one on the list is also a YouTube video tutorial. Learn Python, Full Course for Beginners. This course tutorial is from a guy named Mike Dane. The video course is uploaded on freecodecamp.org YouTube channel. You will receive a thorough introduction to all of Python's fundamental ideas in this course. Python programming will come naturally to you if you follow along with the video. And the fourth one is Python from Beginner to Intermediate in 30 minutes. This is a free online Python course that will assist you in efficiently covering the knowledge gaps between basic and expert Python coding. Modules and functions, sequences and slicing, conditional statements, loop statements, object-oriented programming, and file handling are all well addressed. The fifth one is Introduction to Python Programming. This will be the course you need if you want to understand various libraries and third-party modules. You will also learn how to use Python to resolve practical problems. And the last, but not least, Analyze Data with Python. How can we ignore this course while we are discussing programs that enable you to learn Python development independently? Beginners who wish to learn Python through examples and exercises will find this course to be very helpful. You may master the fundamentals of lists, dictionaries, and other crucial Python data structures even if you have no prior programming expertise with the help of these free online Python courses. All of the course links will be in the description.